Hello everyone, welcome to our SYSGO Tech Cast, where we talk about embedded applications and share insights of our company, products and services. I'm Ben from the Marketing and Communications team. In this episode, I'm happy to have Amani Karchoud with me. Amani is the Technical Product Marketing Manager here at SYSGO and joined us already some months ago. We are going to talk about her experience so far, an exciting project and what the onboarding process was like. So get a cup of coffee or tea, lean back, and without further ado, let's get started. So, welcome Amani.
Hello Ben, thank you for the warm welcome. So my name is Amani Karchoud, and as Ben mentioned, I joined SYSGO already from July, and I'm happy today to share my feedback around the first 100 days at SYSGO.
Thank you very much for taking the time to join us. So here at SYSGO, we are dealing with embedded operating systems and certifiable software solutions for different markets and applications. How would you describe your initial thoughts and expectations when you first joined us?
When I joined SYSGO 3 months ago, actually my initial thoughts were a mix of excitement and curiosity, honestly. I expected a really high learning curve, transitioning from data scientist field to technical product marketing management in the embedded system and real-time operating systems field. But honestly, I saw it as natural extension of my previous background, and I was excited to expand my knowledge and dive deep into SYSGO's technologies and, of course, to collaborate closely with functional teams here. And honestly, one of the key factors that attracted me was SYSGO's reputation as a leading company in Europe in this domain.
And when you started here, how was the onboarding process?
Yeah, actually, the onboarding process was a quite smooth process. The first thing, I got a really warm welcome to SYSGO. I got introduced to all the departments and employees here. I got structured trainings around the product, straightforward also trainings. Then there was a nice concept which is called the introduction week. So basically the introduction week is 3 days in a row where we gather all the new hires. And of course we have new hires in the different sites of SYSGO, like we have the headquarters here in Mainz, in Germany. We have a site in Rostock, in Paris, in Ulm, etc. And all the new hires get introductions to all the departments and what all the departments are doing within SYSGO. So basically, it was really enriching experience for me. And then there was really fun activity at the end that we got a Mainz tour, let's say, which belongs to SYSGO traditions to welcome the new hires, to get to know each other in a different perspective. So it was really fun, and the dinner was really good also. It was in a German restaurant that I like it a lot.
Yeah, amazing. It's always really nice for everyone in the headquarters to get to know the new colleagues and welcome them. Of course, you met many new people here and got insights in a lot of projects. So how would you describe your work here in general?
Yeah, my days are quite similar, and this is the exciting part about my role, because I need to communicate with different departments and parties, from sales to marketing to engineers, etc. So what a day looks like in my work, it's gathering technical information, trying to understand the product technically in order to understand how we can position our product the best way in the market.
Yeah, you're absolutely right. It's all about collaboration and communication. It's a great experience, right?
The communication with the different departments and different people from different backgrounds was really enriching to me, and this adds a lot to my personality, to my knowledge. So I see this as a really positive aspect here in SYSGO, and what I like about SYSGO is that there is always a possibility to suggest ideas in general, and your ideas get recognized also. So this is from the professional growth, for me, is really an important aspect.
Besides meeting new people here and your personal growth, you already started to work on some projects. One of these projects sounds very interesting. Can you tell us more?
Yeah, I'm working on a really exciting project, especially from my perspective as someone coming from data scientist background. We are working now on a technology called PikeOS edge-to-cloud platform. So what is exciting about this project is that we are leveraging mainly the cloud capabilities with the edge real-time processing power. So in our edge platform, we have PikeOS together with PikeOS for MPU that give us the possibility to host applications of different level of criticality on top of the edge platform. From the ones that needs high computational time and power to the ones that are considered more direct and streamlined, that requires less complex hardware, let's say. And it offers two possibilities, so data processing and machine learning model training at the edge side, as well as the possibility to ship this task to the cloud to get advantages from the cloud extended processing capabilities. And you can decide this always based on the nature of the application itself, the real-time responsiveness needs of the application, and to the level of criticality of the data that we are processing.
That sounds really interesting. What a great project. Where would you see the application area of this platform?
Actually, such a platform would be a robust base for future IoT devices in different domains, where security measures and guarantees are paramount. The powerful thing about this platform is that you are always in control of your data and that it is ensuring high level of safety and security for your hosted applications. And this is basically what PikeOS technologies are known for.
Awesome. So you had an excellent start and already work in exciting projects. Great to hear that you feel so well and always get the support you need. So coming to an end, is there anything you would like to share with new employees who want to join SYSGO?
So yeah, like for future employees, I would say just enjoy the process. So whatever your background, you will get there. Embrace learning and always try to get in touch with as many people from different departments as possible. For example, for me, I'm embracing learning, so it's quite like new domain for me. It comes as a continuity to my background, but I'm enjoying that every day I'm learning new thing about the product or about technology and innovation in general, and just enjoy the process. Yeah. It's quite fun.
Thank you very much for joining us today on the SYSGO Tech Cast. It's been a great pleasure having you share your insights with us, Amani.
Thank you, Ben. So thank you so much for having me today.
So, thank you all for tuning in. Connect with us on sysgo.com to stay updated on new episodes and more behind-the-scenes moments. Goodbye from the SYSGO Central and join us next time. Keep your code clean, may your systems never crash, and your coffee be always hot.